Alright, in this lecture, we're going to go over how to use overlapping, size, and placement to create space in your drawings. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to be drawing a picture of some eggs. So first off, what I want to do is I want to draw my first egg, which is going to be the egg that is nearest to me. So it's going to be right here in the center, and it's going to be sitting upright. Next, what I want to do is I want to decide where my next egg is going to be. So the next egg is going to be placed behind this egg so that we create that space. We're also going to make the next egg just a little bit smaller than this one so it looks a little bit further back. The further away something is, the smaller it gets. So let's go ahead and put another egg right about there. And then lastly, let's put our last egg, and we're going to put that off in the distance, and it's going to be a little bit higher up towards our horizon line. That way it looks like it's also further away. So it'll be smaller and higher up, like so. Perfect. Next, what we want to do is we want to start adding in our detail and highlights and shadows. So we need to decide where our light source is coming from. So I think I'm going to have my light source coming from up here down in this direction. So let's go ahead and start adding in our highlights and shadows. So first off, I'll start with my basic highlight, or not highlight, shadow on this side. And I'll do that on all of my eggs. Like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and start darkening in my contour lines. Like so. And then we can go ahead and start really detailing these in. So starting with this first egg, I'm going to go ahead and add in my core shadow. So my core shadow is going to come along like so. Then I'll have my bounce light along this edge. And I want to go ahead and keep continuing to shade this in with my midtone, which I want to slowly fade into my highlight. Perfect. Then let's go ahead and add in our cast shadow. So this is going to ground our egg onto our surface floor, and it's also going to help create that space because we'll see where this cast shadow